What's up guys, Chicks there from Chicks Tech Reviews. So LG announces the G8X ThinQ with a dual screen snap-on case, giving you a dual screen option when you need it. Now with Samsung and Huawei soon to release their own unique foldable phones of questionable reliability, LG continues to improve its dual screen approach with the new G series phone. Now this new LG G8X looks almost like the LG G8 but has a slightly larger 6.4 inch display, larger 4000 mAh battery and a 32 megapixel front facing camera. The G8X will also include LG's latest software interface, the LG UX 9.0, which looks very similar to Samsung's One UI, and you have a dedicated Google Assistant button. Now the smartphone itself is made from Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, aluminium frame and Gorilla Glass 6 on the back. The smartphone feels a bit thick with the second screen on, but take it off and you have yourself a slim 8.4mm device. Now the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 855 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. You have dual cameras on the back, a main 12 megapixel sensor and a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and on the front you have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. You also get a headphone jack with a Quad DAC, supports DTS-X, and the sound is tuned by Meridian Audio, which means you are going to get great quality sound. Furthermore, you have Bluetooth version 5, NFC and USB 3.1. Now there is a USB Type-C port and a 4000 mAh battery which supports quick charge 4 fast charging at 21 watts. And you also have wireless charging, and if that's not enough, an IP68 rating. So that was my quick hands-on first look at the LG G8X ThinQ smartphone. I really like how this one feels. The smartphone's optional second screen add-on also acts like a protective phone case. This concept actually works very well, and I definitely need to spend more time with it to see what it can really do. But first impressions was very good. It's thick but not that bad. It will still fit in your pocket without weighing you down. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.